Matisse Print Paste for paper. Its main job in life is to help to lubricate the paint and slow its drying time. This stuff's all water-based, it is still pretty quick drying, but the print paste will help slow that drying time. Its other purpose is when you mix it with the acrylics, you can reduce the colour. For transparent layers, you can reduce the intensity of the acrylics. The Matisse acrylics are really intense, so you may want a transparent colour or layer to go down and another layer over the top. So you use the print paste with Matisse structure, but you could use flow if you wanted to. Mix them up. Best to start with 50-50. You might find you only use 10% print paste in some colours because they're transparent enough. It just depends on what you're trying to achieve. But certainly adding 10% will help slow the drying time, help the squeegee move across the screen and give you really sharp, clear prints on paper.